Tony is a very nice boy, very educated.
The IFC Center hosted a viewing of The Last Rodriguez, a web series cut into a feature comedy film.
Ideally, we just wanted to create something. We didn't really have much expectation like what we wanted to do with it. We just wanted to make our own thing the way we want to make. This all started because when I turned, I guess, 30 years old, my mom told me I was going to be the last Luna because I wasn't married at the time. And I was like, Ma, there's like 6 million Lunas in the world, you know, or if at least. And she was like, no, mijo, that's because, you know, you're your dad's only son. So there was always a different reason why I was going to be the last Luna.
It came together really over a long period of time. It was something that Brian and I talked about and sort of played with the idea, and then finally we were like, let's just do this. We have to just do this.
We shot it really quickly, like over the course of like multiple weekends. Shot it really small, but again, I mean, it's not much more I can say. Like Brian was awesome. Tania's just fantastic.
The web series utilizes humor in order to provide representation and stories through authenticity.
Obviously, there's not a lot of representation. You hear that now about, like, you know, on screen, but not just that. It's when you are represented, what the expectation is of you. Like, if you're Latino, are you a construction worker, a cop, a cleaning guy, a perp, or something like that? You know, same thing. If you're any other nationality, like how you're represented. So I wanted to show a different side to family life, to comedy, to expectations, to minor, subtle little changes that we have to go through.
And the thing that we get really excited about is just telling stories or sharing perspectives of people you don't typically hear from. And our goal was to do it in a way where you sort of do it through humor, do it in a way that feels like borderline offensive, but that actually has an undercurrent of heart and a message about really just being yourself.
The Last Rodriguez web series and future episodes can be viewed on Vimeo at The Last Rodriguez. Reporting for Bronxnet, Sanji Lopez.